Hello guys, let's talk today about this tray that I got for my desk. Okay, so I here have a motorized desk from FlexiSpot, and I'm using this tray to organize the cables. So it's very easy to install. That's what I like, because you don't need to drill any hole on the desk. You just need to tie this thing up here and here, both of them, okay, and you're ready to go. So it's very sturdy and it's very easy to run the cables here. You can also have your power strip as I have here. So I have one of this under my desk with the power strip, so it's there holding the power strip where I can bring everything to connect to, and I have the cables well organized there, no problem at all. So very easy, very interesting to have this one there. And I also have another one here by the left side of the desk, so I can have everything that I want there. I can have some accessories, or I can also have extra cables. So it works pretty well. It keeps everything clean, organized, just the way I like. Okay, so I got it from Amazon. It's very good. I've been using this for a while. I just removed one of them to make the review. Okay, so I like this. I recommend it. So go to the Amazon and get yours.